Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a tech innovation that is changing the way we use apps on our devices. Progressive web apps, or we call it as PWAs. Ever wished you could use apps like YouTube or Twitter as standalone apps on your Windows PC? Well, PWAs might just be the solution you have been looking for. So let's break it down and see how we can do this. First, let's see what exactly is PWA. A progressive web app is a web application that feels and functions like a native app. It's built using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but offers features like offline access, push notifications, and even the ability to install it directly on your device, just like a regular app. Now, why is this a big deal? So let's take YouTube for example. While YouTube has a dedicated application for mobile devices, but there is no standalone app for Windows. You are stuck using it in a browser tab, which can feel clunky. But with a PWA, you can install YouTube on your PC and it will run in its own window just like a native app. So here is how it's going to work. First, open YouTube in your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but Chrome also works here. So just to open your Microsoft Edge and look for the install option in the address bar or the browser menu. Click it and there you go. YouTube is now installed as a PWA. You will find it in your start menu and it runs independently of your browser. You can pin it to your taskbar as well as shown. So PWAs aren't just limited to YouTube. Apps like Twitter, Pinterest, and even Spotify have PWA versions. These apps are lightweight, fast, and don't take much storage space. Plus, they are always up to date because they are powered by the web. One of the coolest features of PWA is offline functionality. For example, if you are using a PWA like Twitter Lite, you can still browse your own feed without even an internet connection. This makes PWA incredibly versatile, especially for users with limited data or unreliable connections. So why we are not all apps PWAs yet? Well, native apps still have some advantages like deeper integration with your device hardwares and more advanced features. But for many users, PWAs offer a simpler, more efficient alternative, especially for apps that don't have standalone desktop versions. So if you are curious about PWAs, try installing one today and see how it works for you. Let me know in the comments which apps you would love to see as PWAs, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insight. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.